Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. If a power 3 plus b power 3 plus c power 3 equal 3abc, find the values of a equal 1 plus a over b multiply 1 plus b over c multiply 1 plus c over a. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting video. And now, we go to the solution together. Okay, first, we use the rule. A plus b all power 3 equal a power 3 plus b power 3 and plus 3ab multiply a plus b. And then I change this from the right hand side to the left hand side. So I get a plus b all power 3 minus 3ab multiply a plus b equal a power 3 plus b power 3. Okay, let's see this equation. A power 3 plus b power 3 plus c power 3 equals 3abc. So that I replace a power 3 plus b power 3 by this expression. Okay, so we get a plus b power 3 minus 3ab multiply a plus b and plus c power 3 equal 3abc. Okay, now I change 3abc from the right hand side to the left hand side. Okay, so I get a plus b power 3 and plus c power 3, okay, this, and minus 3ab multiply a plus b and minus 3abc equal 0. Okay, now this I use the rule. A power 3 plus b power 3 is equal to a plus b and multiply a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so this I take it a and I take it b. Okay, so I get a plus b plus c and multiply a plus b squares and minus a plus b and multiply c and plus c square. And this I take 3ab out. Okay, so we get minus 3ab and we get this a plus b and this if we take minus 3ab out, so we get plus c. Okay, we write plus c equal 0. Okay, now this a plus b plus c and this a plus b plus c, so we take it out vectors. I get a plus b plus c and multiply this. We explain it. A plus b square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b squared and minus this. We explain it. So we get a c minus b c and plus c power 3 and minus 3ab equal 0. So I get a plus b plus c and multiply a square plus b squared and plus c squared. These 2ab's minus 3ab, so I get minus ab's and minus this bc. Okay, and minus this AC equals 0. Let's see, these two factors equal 0. So I get A plus B plus C equals 0 and A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC equals 0. Okay, now I use the equation A plus B plus C equals 0 to find the values of expression A. So I get equal this, we get A plus B over B and multiplies this, we get B plus C, okay, over C and multiply this A plus C over A and equal this A plus B. So A plus B plus C equals 0. If I take C to the right hand side, we get minus C. So I can replace it by minus C. So we get minus C over B and multiply this B plus C. Okay, this B plus C. If I change A from the left hand side to the right hand side, we get minus A. So I replace it minus A over C and multiply this A plus C. Okay, A plus C, this. So I change B from the left hand side to the right hand side, we get minus B. Okay, minus B over A. Okay, now we simplify A with A and B with B and C with C. So we get, okay, minus 1. Okay, so multiplies minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 and multiply this minus 1. So it is equals minus 1. Okay, now and then we use this equation. Okay, this A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC equals 0. So I multiply both sides of this equation by 2. So I get 2A square plus 2B squared plus 2C squared and minus 2AB and minus 2BC and minus 2AC equal 0. And now I can group up this expression. So I get A squared minus 2AB and plus B squared. Okay, this and plus B squared minus 2BC plus C squared. Okay, and plus C squared and minus 2AC and plus A squared equals 0. Okay, this A and this A, we get 2A squared. And the B we get 2B squared. And the C we get 2C squared. And minus 2AB minus 2BC and minus 2AC. Okay, it's all. Okay, now that this expression, I can write it as minus B all squares. And plus this expression also can write B minus C all square. And this expression I can write it C minus A all squared equal 0. So this expression square plus this expression squares and plus this equation squares equals 0. So this equals 0 and this equals 0 and this equals 0. Okay, now we get A minus B equals 0. I get A equal B. And B minus C equals 0. I get B equal C. And C minus A equals 0. And I get A equal C. Also this A equal B, B equal C, and A equal C. So I get A equal B equal C. Also this we know of A equal B equal C, we can find the values of expression A. Okay, we receive 1 plus A over B. So A and B is equal to each other. So A divided by B is equal to 1. So we get 1 plus 1. And this B equals C, so B divided C equal 1. So we get 1 plus 1. And this C equal A, so C divided A equal 1. So we get 1 plus 1. And equal this 2, and this 2, and this 2. 2 multiply 2 and multiply 2. So it equals 8. Okay, now we get the values of expression A equals minus 1 or A equals 8 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye. See you next video.